Unit 1, lesson 3 in textbook completed?
No, ma'am, we were doing that only. We did those Sortir and Parthir one.
Okay. So we completed the exercise also. Second exercise in the page 25 and first and second we completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So sixth bit is réponse à la question negative. To answer for the negative question. So for a positive question, to give positive answer, you say oui. Means if my question is Vous avez un stylo? Do you have a pen? To say yes, you say oui.
Ma'am, what's the page number?
Page number 15 textbook. Sixth bit we are doing. Oui, j'ai un stylo. And no, it's no only. You say no, je n'ai pas de stylo. So, answer.
Can you tell the page number again?
Hello? Hello? Sorry, wrong number. So, to say no, you say no, je n'ai pas de stylo. No, I don't have a pen. Yes, I have a pen. No, I don't have a pen.
Ma'am, actually, we completed this already. We were doing this culture civilization one, the seasons one.
Then that's
textbook.
what I asked now.
Ma'am, I thought we finished with workbook. It was textbook. Page 55.
No, page 55 is 56. This one, Live winter seasons is finished.
Ma'am, we did summer one, the second one. No, yeah.
What?
We did this till the second one. Second channel.
Okay, okay. Second one means lete, summer.
We should do,
Yes.
ma'am.
Huh?
We should do autumn season.
Okay, okay, autumn. So, autumn. Du 3 septembre au 21 décembre. Autumn is from 23rd September to 21st December. So, autumn will fade fray. In autumn, it's fresh. In autumn, it's fresh. Il pleut, it rains. Le ciel est gris, the sky is gray in color. The sky is gray in color. C'est la saison de vendange. It's a windy season. It's a windy season. Les feuilles jaunissaient puis elles tombaient. The leaves become yellow, then they fall down. become yellow, comma, then they fall down. Fedda Tuse, All Saints Festival, All Saints Day. In the sale of fin de la mousson, in India, it's the end of monsoon. It's the end of monsoon. Elevate commands and winter starts. La Grande Fête des Lumières, Diwali, the big festival of lights, Diwali. Okay, so in France, it's like it's fresh, it rains, the sky is grey in color, it's a windy season, the leaves become yellow, then they fall down, they celebrate All Saints Day. But whereas in India, it's the end of monsoon and the winter starts, they celebrate the big festival of lights called Diwali. Okay, so next, Live, winter. Winter is from 22nd December to 20 March. So, il fait froid, il neige. In winter, it is cold, the snow falls. It is cold. The snow falls. La terre est blanche. The earth is white. The earth is white. Fête de Noël, jour de l'an. Christmas and New Year. They celebrate Christmas and New Year. Fête de Noël means Christmas. Jour de l'an means New Year. Christmas, New Year. So, in il fait beau. In India, it's beautiful. In India, it's beautiful. The snow falls only in Himalayas. Il y a seulement dans les Himalayas. The snow falls only in Himalayas. Au mois de mars, à laquelle l'été par la fête de couleur Holi. Fête de couleur Holi means in the month of March we celebrate, we welcome the summer in the month of March. We welcome summer with the festival of colors, Holi. With festival of colors, Holi. Okay. So with this, the seasons are completed. Then which section is this, ma? Yes, which section is it? May I know which section?
Ma'am, J5 and
J5, J6, J7, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now look at the poem. Did I start off with the workbook of this lesson? Means some bits did we do? This first and second bit and all that.
yes, ma'am, we did 2 bits.
We did 2 bits. Then third bit we didn't do.
No,
No.
ma'am.
Then fifth and sixth we did.
No, ma'am.
Ninth also we didn't do. Okay, fine. Janvier pour dire l'année bonjour. January to tell the year good day. To tell the year good day. Février pour dire à la nuance il faut offrande. February to tell to the snow to melt. To tell to snow to melt. Mais pour dire à l'oiseau migrateur reviens. Mais to tell to the migrating birds come back. To tell to migrating birds come back. Avril to dire à la fleur ouvre-toi. April to tell the flowers open up. May pour dire ouvrière nos amis. Sorry, this is March. May to tell workers are our friends. Workers are our friends. Juillet pour dire à la mer. June to tell to the sea, take us very far. To tell the sea, take us very far. Juillet pour dire le soleil, c'est la saison. July to tell the sun, it's the season. To tell the sun, it's the season. Or pour dire l'homme est heureux d'être homme. August to tell man is happy to be man. August to tell man is happy to be man. Septembre pour dire oublier change-toi en or. September to tell to the wheat change into gold color. To tell the wheat to change to gold color. October pour dire comrade la liberté. October to say friends have freedom. October to say friends have freedom. November putti rosa deza bu. November to tell to the trees, dress up yourself. November to tell the trees, dress up yourself. December puttira lane adi boshans. December to tell the year, oh God, good luck. December to tell the year, oh God, good luck. A those mua the flu paran and all the 12 months of the year, all the 12 months of the year, Mafis Purtadir Kajatam, my son, to tell you that I love you. All the 12 months of the year, my son, to tell you that I love you. Okay? Finish it off. Then I'll go with the culture and civilization. So it will finish up this lesson, then we'll start up with the workbook. Yeah, finish. Shall I go with the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, if you look here, La Bretagne, cultural civilization, the Bretagne. C'est une région au nord-ouest de la France avec l'océan Atlantique et la Manche. It's a region to the northwest of France. It's a region to the northwest of France with Atlantic Ocean and Manche. With Atlantic Ocean and Manche as its boundaries. Comme ses frontières means as its boundaries. It's a region to the northwest of France with Atlantic Ocean and Manche as its boundaries. C'est une région au nord-ouest de la France avec l'océan Atlantique et la Manche comme ses frontières. Le climat en Bretagne est variable mais agréable. The climate in Britain varies but comfortable. Climate in Britain varies but comfortable. A trou des oiseaux rares dans cette région. We find rare birds in this region. Rare birds in this region. La ville capitale de la Bretagne est Rennes et les autres villes importantes sont. The capital of Britain is Rennes. The capital of Britain is Rennes. And the other important cities are Bray, Morlaix, Quimper. Bray, Morlaix, and Quimper. Les touristes peuvent goûter les spécialités culinaires. The tourists can taste the culinary dishes like the pancakes, la galettes, et les fruits de mer. Les crêpes means the pancakes. Les galettes, it's the name of the dish. Et la fruits de la mer means the fruits of sea, means seafood. And the fruits of sea, seafood. La boisson traditionnelle et la cidre. The traditional drink is Sidr. The traditional drink is Sidr. La Passion de Britain. The passion of Britons. The passion of Britons. C'est la musique et la danse folklorique. It's a music and folk dance. It's music and folk dance. Ils intéressés au sport comme le foot. They are interested in sports like they are interested in sports like football, cycling and sailing, football, cycling and sailing. Okay?
Ma'am, could you show the lower part of the board?
Okay. Okay. So if you finish, I'll go with the second one. We'll finish off the third one also. I'll take little time and I'll finish off this culture civilization today. Okay? Is it okay or immediately you have some other class?
No, ma'am, this is the last class.
Okay then. I'll take 5-10 minutes more and I'll just finish up to this culture and civilization so that the work test book will be done. Next class we can start up with the workbook.
Ma'am, could you show the right part now?
Okay. Yes, finished. Yes, ma, finished.
Ma'am, there's something else written after sports.
Yeah, they're interested in sports like football, cycling and sailing. La foot, le cyclism et la voile. Is it finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Make it fast. La Bourgogne, the Bourgogne. The Bourgogne. What's written about Bourgogne? La région de la Bourgogne est située au centre de la France. The region of Bourgogne is situated in the Bourgogne is situated in the center east of France. Centre de la France. Elle est riche à beauté naturelle. It is rich in natural beauty, but it is rich in natural beauty with forests, avec des forêts, forests, des vignobles, vineyards, vineyards, des rivières, rivers, des lacs, lakes, des grottes, caves, des collines, et aussi des collines, and also the hillocks. So, the region of Bourgogne is situated in the centre-east of France. It is rich in natural beauty with forests, vineyards, rivers, lakes, caves, and also the hillocks. C'est une région importante dans la production des vins la plus réputée. This is a region important in the production of very reputed wine. This is a region important in the production of very reputed wine. Sa capitale Dijon est connue globalement pour sa moutarde. Its capital city Dijon is known globally. Its capital city Dijon is known globally for its mustard. Mustard. For its mustard. À Bourgogne, la gastronomie est une tradition. In Bourgogne, gastronomy is a tradition. Les escargons, le coq au vent, le bouffe, bouillonnants, or quelques plats typiques. Escargot means snails. Le coq au vent, that's the name of the dish. Le bouffe bourguignon means the beef of Bourgogne. Bourgogne or some of the typical dishes or some of typical dishes. Finish it off. And I'll go with the last thing. Finish it off now. Yes, ma, finish. Yeah, finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Are you able to follow or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So, la province Côte d'Azur. The province Côte d'Azur.
Ma'am, what was the meaning of the last line in the previous?
Oh, Bray elle offre voyage d'une grande diversité. Bref, it offers the travelers a big diversity. Bref offers the travelers a big diversity. La Provence est une région touristique au sud-ouest de la France. The Provence is a touristic place in southeast of France. Près de la Mediterranean Sea avec un excellent climat. Near to the Mediterranean Sea with an excellent climate, Mediterranean Sea with an excellent climate. Then, Atru ici des champs de lavande, des oliveries, des vignobles. We find here that the fields of lavender, olives, good. Yeah, lavender, olives, then vineyards, vineyards. Les capitales, sa capitale Marseille est aussi un port important. Its capital Marseille is also an important port. Capital Marseille is also an important port. Cette région est connue pour ses fêtes culturelles comme le Festival de cinéma de Cannes. This region is known for its festival culture like for its cultural festivals like cultural festivals com means like le Festival de Cinéma de Cannes, the Festival of Cinema, the Cannes Cinema, the Cannes et le Festival de Théâtre d'Avignon, and the Festival of Theatre and the Festival of Theatre Avignon. La Côte d'Azur est très célèbre pour les villes chic comme Cannes. The Côte d'Azur is very famous for its stylish cities. Azur is very famous for its stylish cities like Cannes. Like Cannes. Then Niece is Saint-Tropez. Nice, Saint-Tropez with a charming beach. Avec sa plage charmante with the charming beaches. With charming beaches. Then dans la cuisine provençale, in the Provençal kitchen, we use in the Provençal kitchen, we use, what do we use? The herbs, olive oil, garlic, and the vegetables. Des herbes, de l'huile d'olive, herbs, olive oil, the lal means garlic, et des légumes and the vegetables. C'est spécialité culinaire sauce alors niçoise. Its special culinary dishes are niçoise salad.
Ma'am, your camera is turned off.
Yes, because my charging is low. I'll just continue. I think time is also up. So I'll just read out, you just take it down. In the Provençal kitchen, we use the herbs like olive oil, garlic, vegetables. Its special culinary dishes are niçoise salad, la ratatouille, et la bouillabaisse. Same names. Okay? Is it clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So with this, our textbook syllabus is completed. Only 2 grammar topics of Unit 1, Lesson 4 are left over. I will do them once we finish up the workbook. Okay? So if you are finished, I'll end up the session now. I'll close the session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.